Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the science, feel, and artistry behind every beauty product you might consider adding to your routine. Today, we're checking out a bronzer that promises a delicate shimmer, buildable coverage, and a lightweight, breathable feel, the Jane Iredale PureBronze Shimmer Bronzer Refill. It comes in 4 blendable shades, and the one I'm focusing on is Rose Dawn. This is a powder bronzer designed to give your skin a natural, sun-kissed glow without feeling heavy or cakey. Jane Iredale emphasizes that it's cruelty-free, which is always a welcome addition for conscious beauty lovers. The formula is meant to be versatile enough to layer for more intensity while remaining soft and blendable, giving you control over your glow. When I incorporated this bronzer into my routine, I immediately noticed how effortlessly it blended into the skin. It's silky rather than chalky, which makes contouring and adding warmth to the face feel almost seamless. The shimmer is subtle, giving just enough radiance to look luminous without appearing glittery. I tried it in my morning routine, layered lightly over foundation, and it held up well throughout the day without fading unevenly. Even in dim lighting, the effect is natural, perfect for a soft daytime look or built up for a more radiant evening glow. One thing I appreciated is the lightweight formula. Unlike some bronzers that settle into pores or feel heavy by midday, this stayed comfortable on my skin. The refill format also makes it environmentally friendlier and easy to swap into an existing compact. However, it's worth noting that if you prefer very matte bronzers, this might not be your first choice since the shimmer is noticeable under certain lighting. In terms of pros, the blendable lightweight formula is a standout, as is the subtle shimmer that enhances rather than overpowers. The cruelty-free aspect and the refillable design are excellent points for sustainability-conscious beauty enthusiasts. On the flip side, if you're looking for intense pigmentation in one swipe or a fully matte finish, you may need to layer carefully or consider a different product. As for value, this bronzer sits in the premium price range, which is consistent with Jane Iredale's reputation for high-quality ingredients and skin-friendly formulations. The payoff in blendability and luminous effect does justify the cost, especially if you appreciate cruelty-free versatile products. Compared to some high-street bronzers, the formula feels more breathable and less powdery, which makes the experience feel more luxurious. The packaging is sturdy, and the refillable system means less waste over time, which I really like. As far as longevity, the bronzer performs well throughout the day without significant fading or patchiness. I haven't had the need to contact customer support, but Jane Iredale generally maintains a good reputation for responsive service. If you're exploring alternatives, there are some affordable shimmer bronzers that deliver a similar glow, but they may compromise slightly on blendability or lightweight feel. For those seeking a cruelty-free, soft, and buildable shimmer, this one stands out. Overall, the Jane Iredale PureBronze Shimmer Bronzer delivers a beautiful, radiant finish with flexibility for light or layered coverage. It's particularly suited for those who want a natural glow with minimal effort, love cruelty-free beauty, and value a product that feels comfortable on the skin. If this review has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this bronzer, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. You can find the link to purchase in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.